Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will start with our next chapter, that is quadratic equations. In quadratic equation, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So x is the variable here, okay, and the equation must be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are the real numbers. This a, b and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Okay, a, b, c and are real numbers and x is our variable and a must not be equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equals to 0. So what is x here? X is our variable here, and this 2, 1x and 300, these are all our real numbers, right? And the variable of x square, that is a, must not be equal to 0 and a is not 0 here, so this satisfies the standard equation. What is the standard form of a quadratic equation? This is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, now in this chapter we have to create a quadratic equation, not like other chapters that we did earlier, in which quadratic equation was given to us, but in this chapter we will be given a word problem and we have to create a quadratic equation on basis of that word problem, and after making that quadratic equation we have to solve that quadratic equation. If the question says, for example, I am taking NCERT example only. So John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. John and Jivanti together have how much marbles? 45 marbles. Okay, now it is saying both of them lost 5 marbles each. 5 marbles each. You must write the important parts of the word problem on, okay, so that you can access them according to your need. The question is saying both of them lost 5 marbles each and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. What is the product of the marbles? Is 124, but this is the product of the marbles they are having now, not earlier. So we have to remember this, that this is the product of the marbles they are having now with them. So how will we create a quadratic equation using these points? So first, let the number of marbles John having, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So let the number of marbles John having is equals to x. So the number of marbles Jivanti had, what would it be? The number of marbles Jivanti had would be 45 minus x, because 45 was the total number of marbles they were having. Okay, so if we are taking that the number of marbles John had is equals to x, then how much marbles will be Jivanti having? 45 minus x, right? So after that the question said both of them lost 5 marbles each. So let's subtract 5 marbles from both of the So now let's subtract 5 marbles from both of these equations, x and 45 minus x. So we will write number of marbles left with John. How much will be the number of marbles left with John? X minus 5, because they lost 5 marbles each. So if she also lost 5 marbles, so what will be the number of marbles she is having now? 45 minus x minus 5, right? So now what will be the value here after Jivanti lost 5 marbles? 40 minus x. And question earlier said the product of the marbles they are having now is equal to 124. So we will just use these values here. Product is equals to 124 and it is given in the question. So 124 is equal to x minus 5 into 40 minus x. Why I did this? Because x minus 5 is the number of marbles John having right now, because we took x as the number of marbles John having, and after he lost 5 marbles, so the total of number of marbles he is having now will be x minus 5. So we write it here, x minus 5, and the total number of marbles left with Jivanti will be 40 minus x. So we wrote it here. Now when we will put these values in this equation, so what is the equation we are going to have? When we will multiply these values x minus 5 into 40 minus x by opening the brackets, we are going to have 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equal to minus x square plus 45x minus 200. Now as we know that the product is 124, so we will take 124 from LHS to RHS. It will change its sign. So now the final equation will be minus x square plus 45x minus 324, right? And we have studied that the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is our standard form of the quadratic equation. So we will just multiply with minus, the whole equation will be multiplied with the minus sign. So our final equation will be x square minus 45x plus 324 is equals to 0. This will be our final equation. In this method we have to form a quadratic equation and solve it, and or otherwise leave it at its final form. Okay, so you can try this at home with different types of questions you are having in your books, and if you face any doubt regarding any topic or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.